read
transcript.
the transcript of records and whatever clarification the good senator has said, I would suggest that you state it in plenary so that it is in record in the plenary session, whatever it has. Then we proceed with our bills.
Thank you.
So kayo po, it's never too late to take up GSE. It's never too late to take Masters in National Security.
Provided
Maski na batikan na abogado na kayo.
provided they will exclude the Thomas Cloma issue.
Totoo naman yun ah. Hindi
Hindi, wala pala sa... The general already confirmed it to me.
it may not be the classes, but
Yeah.
it's historical fact. In fact, sino ang bihasa? Who can give us the historical perspective of the Spratlys? Because when I was a young journalist in the 80s, in-interview ko po si Tomas Cloma sa bahay niya sa Quezon City. And we talked about the Spratlys in the 80s. And then, fast forward 1992, I took up my Masters in National Security at 32 years old. Kung meron yun, as early as 1992 po, ay sumusulat na ako about the Spratly Islands.
Madam Chair, wala po
Anyway.
akong problema kay Thomas Cloma kung ang pinag-uusapan lang, nakarating siya sa Ito Aba, kasama niya yung kanyang mga associates, sapagat nakarecord ito sa history ng arbitration. At siya rin naman ay nakapunta sa kanyang mga associates. Very briefly, sabi ng arbitration, nandun siya, pero wala siyang residence doon, hindi man siya nangisda doon. They were talking about the historical rights of who fish in that area, who mined in that area. So nabanggit talaga ang pangalan niya na he had some activities, although briefly, in the Spratlys as well as in Ito Aba. Yun ay hindi natin pwedeng alisin sa history. Ngunit kung itinuturo po nila na Tomas Cloma ay siyang nag-discover ng Spratlys, ang dami pong bansa ang talagang nag-object. Kaya baka mamamali po yung mga estudyante na magte-take up ng course na yan. At lalong-lalo naman, hindi niya i-donate because paano niya po i-donate? On record po ito, the Philippines is one of those countries who objected kasi nga hindi siya terra nullius eh. Meaning to say, there are a lot of discoveries already prior to 1956 when he declared a freedom land. Yun lang po ang part na dapat wag nating susundin dahil mali yun. Lalong-lalo naman na sinabing dinonate at yan daw ay formalized sa Presidential Decree 1596. Maling-mali po yun. Kahit basahin po ninyo yung PD 1596, wala pong sinasabi tungkol kay Tomas Cloma. Yun po yung lang gusto kong burahin natin. Pag-aari po natin yung occupied territories natin, not because